can get finalized. But when they will check their
We have an ethic.
Group number 2. रामनाथ भैया का ये कमांडो का तैयारी करते थे भाई। बस एक हेलो मेरे जिगर के छल्लो, तो कैसे आप लोग? होप कि आप लोग अच्छे होंगे। फिलहाल मैं भी बहुत अच्छा हूँ। तो आज सेमिनार का मतलब कि आज कुछ यूनिक होने वाला है, डिबेट वगैरह तो लंच के बाद होगी। बट अभी तो मैं थोड़ा लेट हो चुका हूँ क्लासेस वगैरह के कारण, तो अभी जल्दी चलते हैं क्लासेस, फिर उसके बाद आप लोग से मिलेंगे। भाई अभी क्लास आ चुका हूँ और अभी टीचर्स नहीं आई है, बच गया क्योंकि मैं सोचा कि लेट हो चुका हूँ जिसके कारण। क्या बोल ड्रेस? हाँ ड्रेस पे सारी बात आप लोग कमेंट कीजिए किस तरह दिख रहा हो। वैसे हमको पता है हमको नॉर्मली अच्छा रहना है, अच्छा लगता है। तो अभी मिलेंगे सेमिनार वगैरह में या फिर क्लासेस पे, फिर मिलते हैं आप लोग से। क्लास का आंसर इसको मत देखिए, पागल जैसा हंसते रहता है, सिर्फ पागल उगल हो चुका है यहाँ पे। और दिल्ली में यहाँ पे बहुत हॉस्पिटल है, इसको भर्ती वगैरह करना पड़ेगा लगता है वहाँ पे। यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं थोड़ा क्लासेस खाली है क्योंकि डिबेट वगैरह है तो बहुत कम आया है। जो पार्टिसिपेट किए हैं वही सब आया है, बाकी तो गाइस उस वक्त आ गया था टीचर्स, तो हमको वीडियो वहाँ पे रोकना पड़ा। और अभी हम फिलहाल लंच करने जा रहे हैं, जो कि मेरे साथ देख सकते हैं सीआर भी है, क्लास मतलब आदित्य और ये भी, और ये हमारा भाई, जो कि सब लोग साथ में अभी लंच करने जा रहे हैं। और इसके बाद अभी होने वाला है डिबेट, जो कि बहुत ही मज़ा आने वाला है। और मेरा भी है डिबेट। हाँ पूरा लड़ाई चलेगा भाई, MBA और BBA वाला का दोनों का है। और यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं सब लोग आ रहा है, सब क्लासेस वगैरह की सबका छुट्टी, तो सब लोग अभी लंच करने जा रहा है। तो अभी हम लोग लंच करके पूरा अच्छा सा फ्रेश वगैरह होके, और ये ड्रेस भी मेरा नहीं है, सौरभ भैया का है क्योंकि मैं गरीब हूँ, मैं नहीं सिलवाया था और नहीं लाया हूँ, खरीदा भी नहीं हूँ। तो लंच वगैरह करके फिर आप लोग से मिलूँगा। तो अभी के लिए बाय बाय। तो यहाँ पर देख ले भाई सब लोग आ चुका है यहाँ पे, और हमारे प्रिय साथी जो कि अभी यहाँ पे खाना खाने जा रहे हैं। तो पहले खाना वगैरह खा लेते हैं, फिर आप लोग से बात करूँगा। वैसे अभी स्कैनर डाउनलोड नहीं किया है, डाउनलोड कर लूँगा, फिर आप लोग से बातें करूँगा या फिर बोलूँगा आप लोग को। चलो यहाँ पे ये मिला है, जल्दी यहाँ पे खा के ख़त्म करते हैं और जल्दी चलते हैं सेमिनार हॉल पे। तो भाई अभी हम लोग आ चुके हैं यहाँ पे सेमिनार हॉल पे, और बहुत सारे सब लोग यहाँ पे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा, जो कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे।
You all are well aware of who I am. I am from MBA first year, and where our intellectual minds of our MBA and BBA students will showcase their communication skills, their confidence, and their intellectual speech. So today's competition. So guys, this debate will be of 3 rounds. Okay. If you have any questions, please ask me. So our main topic is gender. I think it's same for both BBA and MBA. Right, BBA students? Okay. So the topic for MBA students is gender equality, and there will be 3 rounds, and there will be maximum 4 students in a group. And the first round is that each student will get a minute to present their point of view for the topic. And the second round is they will speak as a group, whether in favor or against the topic. And the third and the final round is where we will have to counter each other and make our point superior, but not fighting, just a healthy discussion. So with that said, let's start this event.
My name is Tushar Thakur and this is my team, Team 3. And our topic is gender equality. And my opinion on this topic is that gender equality is a facade, is a myth. That's all.
Good evening everyone. My name is Manoj from MBA first year. So as we are here for the debate, the debate topic is gender equality. So first of all, I would like to say that there must be gender equality because we all know that it's a basic principle which we should all have. Like we both are same, even woman or man, because it is compulsory that because gender equality, our society and our world will be balance will be maintained. And thank you.
My opinion is gender equality is not a women issue, it's a gender issue. Okay, so basically my name is Rishika and I am from MBA itself, and today's topic for debate is women equality, right? So basically all of you heard about the sustainable goals, right? There are 17 sustainable goals that are sustainable development goals actually. So basically there is a goal number 5 that is about women empowerment and like gender equality. So firstly we have to understand that there is a biggest difference between the gender equality and women empowerment. Most of the people just compare women empowerment to the gender equality, but if I talk about the gender equality, it is a like different concept as it covers all the equality for both men, women and transgenders also. So basically gender equality describes all the rights and wrongs which are for both men, women and transgenders in the society. So in today we discuss about the like gender equality in debate. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Mohit Thakur. I am from MBA first semester. So today we are going to have a debate on gender equality, and I am against the motion, as gender equality is often portrayed as the solution to all kind of problems, all kind of discriminations, but let's be honest, it's not. Men's and women's have their specific roles in the society. I am not saying that someone is superior to someone, but let's be honest, some tasks are there which are specific to only men, some tasks are specific to only women. Thank you.
Is Gaurav Yadav. Gender equality is not based on that men and women are safe. It's based on the rights, opportunities, whether उनके born होने से पहले की एक rights और opportunities same होनी चाहिए. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि women और men same.
Good evening. My name is Bharti from MBA branch. My topic is gender equality. Firstly, I will introduce the topic. Gender equality is very crucial topic that address the equal rights, opportunity and treatment of all the gender. It aims to ensure that individuals have the same access to resource, opportunity and decision making process achieves. And I am against to this topic because some tasks are only played by women and some tasks are only played by men. Thank you.
Good evening. My topic is gender. My name is Jasmine. My topic is gender equality. And gender equality is a fundamental human right, but I am against it because some specific rules and rights are only for girls and some specific fields only for boys. Thank you.
Forcefully pushing to complete equality in all areas can cause really problems. And for example, in companies, gender quotas means companies just hire women to fill number rather than fill on skills. This leads to unfair situation where more qualified men are so, and true fairness really comes from treating people based on their strength, not just forcing everyone to be treated the same.
Given to women, then they will perform better. So, like if I talk about the society, we are from rural one. In rural, actually, women didn't get more opportunities to perform well. So, if they have the reserved quotas, they can do better much. That's my point. It is must from the point of view of economic development. So basically, if men and women work together, our GDP rate is also increased, and economy in the world is also increased. So it is better that men and women work together and they have equality. And secondly, I want to just talk about the challenging traditional gender roles and stereotypes. Basically, if I talk about the rural areas, there is a myth that women cannot go to temples during the duration of their menstruation period. So this is a like stereotype that people have in their mind. And basically, if I talk about, we are talking here about gender equality. So a woman should also go to temples during the menstruation period if they are equal, and they are treated equal at that time also. So gender equality is must in India also. And I want to just add on an example, like there are some myths that women cannot go to politics. There are myths of the many peoples. So if I talk about the like there is a country that is Finland. In Finland, there is a 34-year-old lady that is Prime Minister of the Finland. So women can do better if they are treated equally. Actually, I want to add on a point, Charles. So basically, he said that gender equality is for both women, female, and transgender.
Why? Can you answer this, please?
जल्दी आओ.
इक्वालिटी की बात करें तो इक्वालिटी होनी चाहिए ना, लाइक दोनों के लिए सेम चीज होनी चाहिए.
ओके, सो आपका जैसे पॉइंट था भी इक्वालिटी होनी चाहिए. इन दिल्ली देयर आर मेट्रोज, राइट, एंड देयर इज अ रिजर्व कोच फॉर वुमेन. सो एज अ वुमेन आप ये सोचोगे कि आप मेट्रो के दूसरे कोच में जाके खड़े हो जहाँ पे वुमेन्स खड़े हैं. So that is necessary to provide a safety to the girls. That's why a government make a reserved coach for the women. So in some areas that is necessary.
कई बार लड़कियां इसका गलत फायदा उठाती है, लाइक ओल्ड मैन.
There are some women. There are some.
वो रिजर्व
मेंटलिटी
Thanks everyone for listening to us. Thank you. This is Janvi first semester.
Listen up. Okay. So the thing is, I want to take their own perspective. How well do you think you did? Like, be honest. As a rate of 1 to 10, how did you do? Rate yourself. Okay. What about you?
Ma'am, I would like to rate each of us 9.
Just rate yourself. So Ritika, you have gotten 9.5 out of 10. You are the one who has got the highest ones. You will completely lead the stage. Tushar, 6.95. Manoj, 7.55. Shalini, 5.5. Bharti, 6.75. And your total team score, the first team has only scored 12.5 out of 30. And team number 3.
In my mind, the abstract idea of a woman can do what a man can was translated to a woman can be as good as a man. Thank you.
Good afternoon, myself Krishna and my topic is gender equality. Gender inequality prevails in each and every group. First we will talk in education sector. Number of engineers are less as compared to the men. Health sector, male gyno are not preferred. And let talks about lawmaking in our parliament. Percentage of women is very less. And after 77 years of the independence, we are still considered as the developed nation because women participation is less. The day they come in equal participation, we will count it as a developed nation. Thank you. Do you ever notice why do women scientists and entrepreneurs get so much attention? They should be given just as much coverage as any man do, but it's not happening. It's because of we created an
One of you said, "Beti bachao, beti padhao." if there is no inequality, why this slogan prevails? Why was even was introduced in the society where equality prevails already?
This is because we suppress women.
Please maintain the decorum. Student Abhishek, you get the point 6.2. Naveen 8.45. And Harshita, you get 9.7. Team 2, Ruby 8. Aditya, you get 7.75. Kavita 8.5. And Krishna 8.25. Congratulations both of you.
And I'm against it. And the intro I was going to give is that many times it happens when criminals get out of their imprisonment, after finishing their punishments, they still suffers a lot through the society, through their own family members. Even they face mental traumas in their imprisonment. And there are a lot of difficulties. Not only that, they have already finished their punishment, yet they have to go through a lot more things. Like they can get a good job, they can travel somewhere else. There are many other aspects that are left out when the records are mentioned.
He or she can get finalized, but when they will check their criminal record, then they will just reject them. Even when they have totally changed, they are not criminal yet, they cannot get a job. So that is the reason I want कि criminal record should not be there forever. That's all.
other citizens जो कि एक crime में involved थे, so that they can keep a check on them. They can keep a check on their behavior, whether they are changing their threat to the society or they are committing more crimes. So we need to have the data. Everything is supported by data. So what is the shame in taking the data and making it as a record?
As 70% of the individuals with criminal record are more likely to be involved in the terrorist activities. So ऐसे criminals का mindset होने के बाद विशाल क्या आप चाहोगे कि आपके पास ऐसे criminals का background नहीं हो और आप उनको जॉब दे दो और कहीं ना कहीं उनका trigger point हो कि mindset क्यों हम आप बाहर से देख के उन इंसान का पता ही नहीं लगा सकते कि उनका mindset कैसा है.
And I would also like to add on this that instead of changing how long record lasts, we can work on making the legal system fairer to avoid unjust outcomes and improve the legal process and ensure that there are fair trials and that can help. Additionally, a permanent record serves as a critical tool for tracking patterns of a behavior that might not be permanent but adequate for causing an unwanted incident.
So as she said, states used to get changed, state government used to get changed. So if they will raise that whole data, then from where they will get to know that that person was a criminal or not? Then let me tell you, there is a feature of government which is criminal record sealing. That means that government can seal that criminal data of a person, that employers and landlords and any other, no one can see that criminal record. But government can see it.
सुकून का नाम सुना है? हाय हाय, इतना सुकून.
And since Arya Samaj, pretty good. And sorry. And I think there is a lot that we can learn from Vishal. when it comes to overall personality, demeanor, and not losing to their. Okay, can I please have a round of applause for Vishal?
A few moments later.
और हम लोग अभी आ चुके हैं क्योंकि सेमिनार है और मेरे ग्रुप की टीम आई ही नहीं, तो भाई 2 को आया था और हम अकेले हो गए थे, तो मैम बोली कि अगला बार चांस देंगे, तो कोई बात नहीं। अभी फ़िलहाल बारिश का बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे। और अभी मैं यहाँ पे रुका हुआ हूँ जहाँ पे कैंटीन वगैरह है, तो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं रामनाथ भैया मेरे साथ में है, तो बारिश का भी एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। सोच रहे कि थोड़ा अभी फुटबॉल वगैरह खेलेंगे, तो क्योंकि बारिश है तो मज़ा बहुत आएगी, तो देखते हैं फुटबॉल वगैरह खेलते हैं, तो आप लोग को व्यू बहुत ज़रूर दिखाऊंगा, तो दिखाता हूँ व्यू। रामनाथ भैया का
नहीं अभी और सुनिए,
ये कमांडो का तैयारी करते थे भाई, बट कुछ प्रॉब्लम के कारण नहीं कर रहे। आप देख सकते हैं इनका भी यूट्यूब चैनल है, और इनका यूट्यूब चैनल हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा, और डिस्क्रिप्शन में इनका क्या बोलते हैं लिंक डाल दूंगा, तो आप लोग देख लीजिएगा बहुत अच्छे से। तो मिलते हैं फुटबॉल ग्राउंड पर, देखते हैं फुटबॉल खेलूँगा या नहीं। और यहाँ पे मिला है हम लोग का सोया चाट, क्या पता है पहली बार सुन रहा हूँ नाम, जो कि चिकन टाइप दिख रहा है, और यहाँ पे सब लोग बैठा हुआ खाने के लिए, देख सकते हैं आप लोग। तो पहले खा के ख़त्म कर लेता हूँ क्योंकि बहुत ज़ोर से भूख लगी है, फिर आप लोग से बात करूँगा अपने। और खाना वगैरह भी खा चुका हूँ। और एक बात, अगर वीडियो से रिलेटेड आप लोगों को कुछ भी बोलना हो तो आप लोग कमेंट पे ज़रा बोल सकते हैं, और जो कुछ भी, या कि मीम्स वगैरह ज़्यादा है या फिर कम है, आपको ये दिखाना चाहिए या कुछ भी, एनीथिंग, अगर आपको कुछ भी कहने का मन हो तो आप कमेंट पे ज़रूर बोलें। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे, टाटा बाय बाय, टेक केयर।